Okay, so for this question, let's firstly draw the original growth. So the original growth, quantity and price, demand curve and supply curve. So if there's no tax burden, then originally the equivalent price is 5, and the equivalent quantity is 10. And because of tax burden, that is 50 cents per hamburger. So as a result, we will see a supply curve decrease. Supply decrease, the supply curve shift to the left. This will be the new supply curve. And this upper shift, this amount of shift is actually 50 cents. Okay, so after the change, the new equilibrium has a price of 5.2 and has an equivalent quantity of 9. Okay, so basically that's the new equilibrium compared with the original one. And you can see that since this is a 50 cents change and this point is 5.2, so we definitely know this part, this amount should be 4.7, right? Because it's a 50 cents upper shift of it. Okay, so that is 4.7. Then we can just mark the consumer surplus, producer surplus, and that we lost after it. So the new consumer surplus, because the new price for the consumer is 5.2, so the new consumer surplus should be this triangle here. So be the new consumer surplus. And what about the new producer surplus? So although the price paid by the consumer is 5.2, but the price actually got by the seller is only 4.7. So, and the amount sold in the market is 9. So the new producer surplus should be this triangle here. This is producer surplus. Okay, and we know that the originally economic surplus should be this large triangle here, right? So basically, we have consumer surplus and producer surplus, and this rectangle here, this rectangle from 5.2 to 4.7, and this amount is 9. This rectangle here will be the tax revenue of the government. Okay, and the deadweight loss should be the triangle here. This will be the deadweight loss. Okay, so that's the way how to define it. And the deadweight loss, if you calculate it, it should be equal to 1/2 times, let's say 10 minus 9 times 5.2 minus 4.7. So that should be 500,000. 500,000. Okay, that's the deadweight loss. And the tax revenue, so it's the area of this triangle, should be 5.2 minus 4.7 times 9. So it should be 4.5 million.